This is the foundation of all MOSs. So this is something that new trainees learn their first few weeks at training, and then from here the skill sets build towards what EMT qualifications we get in our job as combat medics.
So this course basically it's about saving lives, either with somebody showing cardiac arrest or cardiac failure. Some of these courses will offer the opportunity to earn college credits or semester hours based on the amount of time that they spend in classroom.
So basic life support can be useful for any soldier, in particular MOSs like military police respond to emergencies, and it's vital for them to understand how to address life-threatening injuries and things. And then in the combat zone, understanding how to look for signs of life and treat life-saving interventions to save their fellow comrades, battle buddies is vital.